Morning guys, today we are going back to filming. I'm really excited. It's been months since I sat in front of like my big camera and filmed like a dedicated YouTube video, so I'm pumped. Drinking some coffee. I put my wig on this morning. I just finished wand curling it. We're about to do makeup. I'm trying, not light B, I'm not gonna say light B. I'm trying to use less product. Sorry you're hearing Keeks clack in the background. I want to use less product to achieve the same look. I always feel like I just have too much product. I've always been super heavy-handed ever since I was a kid, and so like that's always been an issue. So yeah, I just want to, you know, less is more but still achieve the same look, because I feel like there's no reason for me to be using, like when I get to the point where I'm blending and I'm like, wow, I'm still blending, I want to cry. So I'm just like, I cannot. So yeah, I'm about to do my makeup. I cannot talk and do my makeup, so I will see you guys when I'm finished. Today I'm aiming to film at least 3 videos. I want to do, oh, my sunscreen is blending with this, but I want to do a nursing video, a fashion video, and I'll probably end up doing 2 nursing videos, honestly, but it'll probably be because one will be a haul, so I guess it's kind of fashion and nursing at the same time. But yeah, those are the 3 videos I'm trying to bank out today. The other ones that I want to do take a little bit more planning, which I plan on doing tomorrow, because me and one of my good friends, Ashley, who's also one of my creative friends, we were talking about basically like how we want to treat our creative work as a second job, which it is for me, but I feel like I talked about this in Dallas. I feel like I did. But how I want to start having like designated spaces that I go to edit and, you know, do planning and stuff like that, and actually sit in a different space that's not like my bedroom, where I'm comfortable. Granted, now I have this nice office space, so I definitely will be utilizing that, but I do want to take some time to like at least once a week go to a coffee shop and just sit down and take that time to like actually do like 8 hours of work at the coffee shop. You get what I'm saying? Or like 6 hours of work at the coffee shop, where I'm just like sitting there. I don't have distractions as far as TV. I don't have, you know, the comfort of my bed calling my name. So we're doing that tomorrow, and I think I'm gonna take that time to actually work on planning out my other videos. I may edit on my laptop, but I feel like I just want to edit on my desktop computer because it's bigger, it's easier. So I'll probably just work on editing at home and just work on actually planning my videos out, because I get really overwhelmed trying to do more than one thing at a time. Like I'm trying to plan a video and edit at the same time. Like I just need to sit down and do one thing. I'm always trying to do too much, so that's the task that I'm working on. So I think tomorrow, that's what I'm going to dedicate tomorrow to. I'm going to just bring my iPad, bring my little keyboard, bring my planner, and just plan out like talking points, you know, basically make a storyboard for the videos that I want to film. So I want to do my home series, of course, and then I want to do basically more nursing series videos, and of course fashion hauls. Once I finish the home vlogs, I don't know if I'll vlog that often, because it's just the same routine, unless you guys just want to see that and the vlogs do well. If I see that the vlogs are doing well and you guys are requesting them, then I can go back to just showing you my everyday shebang. But for right now, I'm pretty much done getting furniture. I actually need to order a piece of furniture today, for real. But yeah, I'm pretty much done getting furniture. I'm pretty much, you know, there's nothing going on. Like I work, I may go out to dinner with friends, but like I don't like to bring my camera out into the public, to be honest. Like I'm not one of those vloggers quite yet. I'm not comfortable, although my friends always do tell me to get the footage. We'll see. Things could change. Like I said, we'll see how those videos do as far as vlogs go. If you guys like them and you're requesting them, then we can go from there. But yeah, I'm about to do my makeup. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, it is now, a microwave. Hold on. Un momento. All right, y'all. So it is currently, what time is it? 1 something? Oh, it's 2 o'clock. So I've already filmed 2 videos, which I'm really excited about. So I filmed 2 nursing videos. So I decided, let me just make some lunch. I actually like have myself on a schedule. I'm filming between 1 and 4 today. So I've already knocked out 2 videos. I have 1 more to do. To try on haul, those take a little bit longer. So I'm gonna film all of the try on portion first, and then I'm gonna do the sit down part. I don't know, I wanted to do another like fashion related video for you guys, but I don't know where I put my jewelry for it. So if I can find it in the box that's over there, then I'll probably film. It's just like a little AliExpress situation. Really gonna be cute. But right now I'm making lunch. I'm just making 2 hash browns with a salmon patty and avocados because I'm starving. So I'm just like, let me just actually take a lunch break and break my fast. So the last time I ate was yesterday, probably around 9-10 p.m. so I think it's a good time. I try to do 18 hours, but if I'm off, I try not to put too much pressure on myself about it. But yeah, so Keeks is here. I went and got her this morning, so she's been hanging out with me. The videos are coming out so good. I'm so excited. I feel like very creative. My cousin Nate already sent me a portion of his thrift ship video. So that was really cool to see. I'm posting a video about it on YouTube, but he's just doing TikTok because that's his platform. So I need to do like a little snippet basically for TikTok as well, because the way that he did his was just like a mini vlog for TikTok, which I feel like I could use the footage from yesterday, but I just wonder if it's gonna fit right in a 16:9. So just in case it doesn't, I'm gonna just film like this today. Stop it, Keeks. Get out of my kitchen. Did my skill. Go home. Dang, she over here licking up the ice from the salmon patties. Girl, get out of here. My TV's here. I'm so excited. I am gonna attempt to unbox it by myself, but I don't know. I may have to wait for Val to get off work, but I'm gonna give it a try. This is just one more step into just being able to unpack all my boxes. I just don't feel the need to unpack what I don't have furniture for yet, because it's just pointless. It's gonna sit around, it's gonna make me feel cluttered and just nervous. So, oh, I'm a ginger, by the way. Didn't address that. Also, my wig, I'm about to fix her, so she's flapping up at the sides. Don't mind it. We're eating it though, right? Period. But yeah, I'm about to unbox it, plug my Fire Stick up. If you know me, you know I love my Fire Stick, baby. I got that thing decked out, and I've been having to watch all my programs on my iPad. Like, my neck is hurting. Why would I would go be ready to binge a show? It would be dead. Like, I'm ready for those times to be over. Super pumped about this. Did a lot of research before I bought it. Didn't have enough car space to put it in my car when I bought it last week, so then I had to get delivery. Luckily it was free, but I'll let y'all see what it's looking like when I'm done. Not gonna lie, this is giving 2-person job, which I'm really sick about because I want to put it up now, but I cannot lift this by myself. It's too heavy. Like, it's too heavy. How are people so strong? The delivery guy, he was smaller than me, just carried it up the stairs like it was nothing. And I'm gonna try, but the minute I don't feel secure, I'm gonna stop. So I will let you guys know. The update will either be now or later. Just see y'all. Today is October 19th. It is currently 9 a.m. and as a working gal who just got off work, I'm still working. Why? Because I owe you guys a video tomorrow, and I have to be consistent because I want this to be my job. I'm tired, y'all. But this is the life of an RN by night, content creator by day, okay? If I want to be consistent, if I want to see this transform into a new career, then I have to put forth the energy, the work, so God can give me my stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's time. The Lord knows I want to do this, so I had to put in the work. I had to restart my computer because I couldn't airdrop from my phone to my computer for some reason, and whenever that happens, it's either my phone that's not communicating properly 90% of the time, but I think it's actually my computer this time, because the same thing happened yesterday and I restarted my phone and then it started working, but now today is acting kind of shady, so I just restarted my computer. It is a desktop that's plugged into the wall, so I don't shut it off often. I should probably Google that, like how often should you shut down your computer. When I was younger and we had a desktop, we shut it off after we used it every single night. I don't do that with like my laptop or this computer. My laptop, I just let it stay on until it dies, kind of thing. Which I guess is kind of bad. I should probably, let me Google that now. Let's get to the bottom of that, because I definitely don't want to ruin the life of my technology, because I, you know, love my things. What's this? Yeah, last night wasn't bad. It wasn't bad. I did have a confused patient, but you know, I was just trying to be positive about the night. They were very sweet. They just sundowned and it got bad. It wasn't a great time, you know what I'm saying? Like, it could have been better. It wasn't like they were pleasantly confused. They were extremely agitated and combative. But again, not their fault. They had a lot going on, so I was just like, look, but there's not much I can do for you right now, but I'm gonna do what I can. So that's just the reality of that. And yeah, I'm exhausted, but I'm also hungry, but I also want to intermittent fast, which is part of my nursing schedule. I normally intermittent fast when I'm working because I'm asleep all the time, but because I'm awake right now, I'm trying to decide if I just want to drink some water or actually eat something. I didn't eat much yesterday, so I guess I kind of owe it to myself to eat. I just don't want to beat myself up for snacking, you know what I'm saying? But I think I'm gonna have some cereal because yeah, I picked up Doots this morning. Doots, say hey to everybody. She's sleeping. I picked her up. She thinks she's my manager, just like my dad and my sisters and my mom do. The whole family be trying to run me and my little Chanel. Okay, they be clocking me. Cass, when was the last time you uploaded? What's going on? That be my parents hounding me. And you know what? I'm grateful, because that's the kind of pressure I need. But yeah, I went to go pick up Keeks and she insists on sitting in my lap. Like, she literally bullies me. I'll let her, I think she wants to play with her toy, and she just puts her paws on my lap and she's like, let's play, Cleve. Together we can. Shoot the moon, start the rain. Even right, look at this face. How can I even say no to her? She's such a precious baby. The best. So yeah, let's get to finishing this video.